Hey guys, George from SoundTraxx here. Now, today we're going to talk about CV reset. Now let's say you've been CV programming, you've made some adjustments to your decoder, and suddenly you don't remember what it was that you did or how you got to where you are, but you don't want it anymore. Next thing you know, you've got a decoder that's not behaving the way you want. What do I do? Well, there's a safety net. We have a CV reset. By setting CV 828 and then cycling the power, the decoder will reset to factory defaults, the way it was when it left our factory after our technicians tested and packaged the decoder. So how do we do this? We can program on the main as long as we have control of the locomotive. We can program CV 8 to a value of 8. And you notice nothing's changed, but to complete the reset, we do want to cycle power. And cycle power means we want to take power away from the decoder and then reapply power. And this allows the processor to reboot itself and reset all those CVs to defaults. Now, after we cycle the power, the decoder is going to be quiet for a couple of seconds, and then the sound's going to come up, and then the lights are going to start to flash 16 times. And that's your visual indicator to let you know that the reset has taken place. So let's complete the reset now. That should be sufficient. We set it back down on the track, and you're going to notice that the lights start to flash. Now the decoder's reset back to factory default. So now when I blow that horn, it's not the same horn we heard just a minute ago. This sets the decoder back to the way it was, like I said, when it left our factory. Now you can also partially reset the decoder. There are CV 8 values that you can reset only certain CVs. So let's say, for example, if you messed up your function mapping, you can just reset those. For more information, go to our manual at SoundTraxx.com under the Manuals tab and take a look at the user's guide, and it'll explain how all of that works. If you have any questions, feel free to call us. We'll be glad to help.